Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex the Major. So I want to show you guys this new strategy. This strategy is crazy. Trust me, it's crazy. So I've been using this strategy to scalp, boom, and crash. All right. So I'll be showing you guys how to use this strategy for to scalp, boom, and crash. All right. To scalp, crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000, boom 500. I don't know if you guys are aware that we now have crash 900 and crash 300, boom 900 and boom 300. Yeah, they are all new. They've been added on the platform, though I think it's not available on MT5, but then Deriv now added those assets. We now have crash 600, crash 900, boom 900, boom 600, VIX 15 1As, VIX 31 As, and some other assets like that. So pretty soon we'll be having them on MT5. So if you are a lover of boom and crash, yeah, so that's it. That means you have so many boom and crash. You'll be having like 8 boom and crash asset, 8 or 10, almost 10. Yeah, almost 10. So yeah, like 10 boom and crash asset to trade, to work on. All right, so this strategy, like I said, is for boom and crash, to scalp boom and crash on the 1 minute time frame. All right, all you do is just catch 5 to 10 dots of this tick, 5 to 10 of this dots, 5 to 10 of these dots, and you're out. Okay, so I will show you guys how to do it. I will show you guys the settings of the strategy and how to scalp with this strategy. All right, so happy new year, guys. If you're new on our channel, maybe you're coming across this video for the first time, my channel for the first time, please show me some love. Subscribe to this channel, because here we drop strategy every day, almost every day. Show people how to use strategy to make money on here, and also the price action, how to make money using price action. All right, and we provide signals. If you join our free Telegram channel, you will see we provide signals, accounts management, and mentorship. All right, so subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the video with friends, and also drop some good comments to encourage us to drop more of these contents. Right, so let me show you guys the settings for this strategy. Okay, so the first indicator you're bringing in will be RSI. So this RSI, we have the period 8 applied to typical price. Okay, the levels here, we have level 20 and 80. Okay, 20 and 80, you click on done. Then style, under style, you put it on 2 pixel, and here you change the color to, okay, let's say black. Change the color to black. That means if you're using white background, MT5 background, you can use white or any other color. All right, and you click on done. All right, so that's the indicator right there. Then the next thing you will do will be bringing in the second indicator window. This time you're clicking on the main window. All right, you're bringing in RSI, another RSI. So we have the same period applied to typical price, the same levels here. We have 80 and 20 levels. Then, but here you need to reduce the pixel to almost 0. Then you put it here on the dot, and the color here will be white. Why? Because I don't want it to be shown on my charts. All right, that's it. That's the second window here, the one down here. So you go back again under the indicator window 2, you're clicking on this plus on the indicator window 2, you're bringing in Ichimoku. Okay, this Chimoku now, Tenkan Sen is 2, Kiju Sen is 2, second span B is 8. You click, all right. Then here, down here, you see the color Tenkan Sen blue, Kiju Sen is red, Chiku span is blue. Up Kumo is white, down Kumo is white because I don't want it to be shown on my chart. So if you're using white or black background, make it black. This up Kumo and down Kumo should be black. All right. So you click on done. That's the strategy. Now you can see we have 2 indicator window. We have the first one. We have the first one and the second indicator window. So this is the first indicator window, which is where we have the RSI indicator, and we have the second indicator window where we have the Ichimoku. All right. Okay. So now you can see the settings. Your duty here is for you to wait for market to get to the overbought zone for boom. All right. This for boom. You're staying for market to get to the RSI to move to the 80 zone. Once it spikes into the 80 zone, all right, you observe once it gets to, it must touch the 80 level, this line, it must touch this line. Once it touches this line, you're looking down to indicator window 2. On the indicator window 2, you have both the 2 indicators here, the Ichimoku up here. Once it comes down, once the Ichimoku comes down and crosses the red, the blue crosses the red downward, okay. Okay, so immediately the blue crosses the red indicator downward, right? You're selling. But be sure that this RSI here touches the level 80. You must touch this line or at least above the line, level 80, and you're at this point you see this blue indicator crossing the red indicator downward. You're selling from that point. You're selling at that point. Just start selling. So you're taking just 5 candlesticks or 10 candlesticks depending on your grid, but I think 5 candlesticks will be enough. 5 candlesticks, you're out and wait for the next asset to give you a setup again for you to jump in and sell. All right, so 5 to 10 candlesticks. 10 candlesticks is fine. You can still hold it for 10 candlesticks, but make sure that it just touches the oversold, a bit overbought level, right? Yeah, the same thing here. All right, the overbought zone, it has touched this line, and at the same time we have the Ichimoku crossing, the blue crossing the red downward, and you start selling and you hold for 5 to 10 candlesticks. The same thing here, right? 5 to 10 candlesticks, you are good. Crosses, you sell 5 to 10 candlesticks. The same thing here, crosses, 5 to 10 candlesticks, and you're out. Okay, 5 to 10 candlesticks. Whenever market touches that zone, you're selling. All right, you're out. 5 to 10 candlesticks, guys. I'm not joking. This strategy is crazy. It's killing the market. 5 to 10 candlesticks, we make our money and we're out. Okay, that's it. And one thing I want to tell you guys, when going against the spike, you must be sure you don't risk much, because when it spikes and catches you, there's a serious problem. There is a serious problem. So make sure you don't catch, you don't risk really big when going against the spikes. All right. Okay. Then going against the spike, make sure you don't take much candlesticks. So just like what we have here, you have this coming down and we have the Ichimoku crossing each other downward. We are selling at that point. So that's the strategy, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. It gives so much money. I'm not joking, guys. Look at that. And I want to tell somebody, somebody commented on my video and he said that I told you guys to put SL on boom and crash, that SL does not work on boom and crash. That's funny. So yeah, he is right in a way, but I want you to understand that if you think SL does not work on boom and crash, that means TP does not work on boom and crash, because if it spikes to your TP, baby, you are going in the spike direction, and it spikes to your TP, it moves your TP from the position you put. If you're targeting to make $10 and it spikes, and the spike is very long, and wherever the spike stops is where it's closing with the profit, right? It's gonna close with the profit. So if it closes far from your TP level, if it were to make $10, you'll be making like, you might be making like $14 or more until where it stops, the spike stops. So it's still the same thing. It's almost the same thing. So I will make a video where I'll explain to you why I think stop loss works on boom and crash. Stop loss works on boom and crash. It helps on boom and crash. Okay, so I'll show you guys why I feel stop loss works on boom and crash. So like I say, guys, show me some love. Join the free Telegram channel. Mentorship, we give 3 to 5 high quality signals daily with chart analysis, risk management tips, how to know what to risk, and I tell you the asset to trade on, and we make money, we grow. Accounts management, you have up to $200. You bring your accounts for management. Let's make money, guys. 2024, we must close with so much profits. Trust me, I'm not joking. I'm not joking, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you want anything or have any challenge, just check the description of this video. You see my WhatsApp number and my Telegram address to chat me up. Chat me up, guys. Don't be afraid to chat me up. Ask me whatever question you want to ask me, whatever issue you have, whatever challenge you're having. Just come to me. I'm always there to answer questions, okay? All right, so I think that'll be all for now. Just 5 to 10 candlesticks, you're out, you make your money. So imagine we entered this, we count 1 2 3 4, like more than 10 candlesticks, we've made our money, and we jumped out, right? So yeah, so that's it, guys. This strategy is killing, and I'm not joking. It's a good one, trust me.